Did you know over 90% of online experiences start with a search, but not all searches are created equal. As a small business, understanding keyword intent is your superpower. It's knowing exactly what your potential customers are thinking the moment they type something into Google. Let's unlock the 4 crucial types. First, we have informational intent. This is when users are just trying to learn something. Think how to make sourdough bread or what is organic SEO. They're in the discovery phase, not ready to buy yet. For your business, this means creating helpful blog posts, guides, and tutorials. Provide value, build trust, and become an authority. Next, there's navigational intent. This user knows exactly where they want to go. They're typing Amazon login or your business name, contact us. They're using Google as a shortcut to a specific brand or website they already know. Your goal here is simple. Make sure your brand shows up prominently when someone searches for you. Optimize your Google My Business. Ensure your website ranks number 1 for your brand name. Then comes commercial investigation intent. This is where things get exciting. These users are researching products or services with a strong intention to buy soon. But they're still comparing. They're asking best laptops for graphic design or MacBook Pro versus Dell XPS. They want reviews, comparisons, and best of lists. Your strategy? Create detailed buyer's guides, product reviews, and comparison articles. Position yourself as a trusted advisor, helping someone choose their new laptop. Give them the info to make an informed decision. Finally, the big one, transactional intent. These users are ready to pull out their wallet and make a purchase. Subscribe or sign up right now. Keywords include buy, price, discount, or specific product names like buy espresso machine online. This is prime conversion territory. Your product pages need to be flawless, clear pricing, high quality images, glowing reviews, and an obvious add to cart button. David's coffee machine broke. He's looking for the best price Breville Barista Express. So make it easy for him to buy from you. By creating content for all 4 intents, you're nurturing your audience from initial curiosity all the way to becoming a loyal customer. It's about being present and helpful at every step of their journey. Stop guessing, start understanding. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed it. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.